Ancient woodworking techniques, crafting tools with natural materials. Unlock the lost art of ancient woodworking. Learn how to craft tools using traditional methods and natural materials. DIY skills, primitive techniques, and timeless craftsmanship all in under 3 minutes. Hashtag ancient woodworking, hashtag traditional crafts, hashtag DIY skills. Ever wondered how ancient civilizations built everything with just their hands and natural resources? No power tools, no modern machinery, just raw skill and ingenuity. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of ancient woodworking techniques that have stood the test of time. Tip number 1, the power of hand-carved tools. Before metal tools, early woodworkers used sharpened stones, flint blades, and even animal bones to carve intricate designs. These primitive chisels and knives shaped wood with astonishing precision. Imagine crafting a full chair using only a stone scraper. Tip number 2, mortise and tenon joints, no nails needed, one of the strongest woodworking techniques ever invented. This joint locks two pieces of wood together without glue, screws, or nails. Even today, high-end furniture makers use this method for durability. If it lasted thousands of years, you know it works. Tip number 3, natural adhesives for ultimate strength. Ancient craftsmen didn't have store-bought glue, so they used tree resin, boiled animal hides, and even plant starch to bond wood seamlessly. These natural adhesives were strong enough to hold together boats, weapons, and even architectural structures. Why does this matter today? Because these timeless techniques teach us self-sufficiency, sustainability, and craftsmanship beyond machines.